The banner and footer section allows you to define the graphic banner as well as provide a clickable link for that banner, as well as defining your graphic footer and text that can be superimposed over the top of the footer. So let's start with our banner and take a look at how that works. Right now we'll go over to our sample page and take a look at where these elements are placed. Here's the banner that we currently have, which is just a placeholder to show you where the banner goes. And then down here is where our footer is and our text for the footer. So let's go ahead and start now with our putting in an actual banner. And to do that, we want to just go ahead and click Browse, and I'll navigate to my banner artwork, which is right there. And then I'll just go ahead and upload it. And you'll see it refresh and show you a little preview of it. If it doesn't refresh like that, sometimes it doesn't, just go ahead and refresh the page yourself after you do the upload, and it will show up. You also may have noticed that up here you get this image as well, and this sort of brands your back-end admin with your banner throughout the rest of the admin. Whenever you navigate around, that banner will stay up there. One other note about the banner is it does have to be a specific size for you to get the results that you're expecting. If you put something in that isn't this size, it can stretch it and it won't look the way you would expect. So the size here is noted, and that needs to be 940 pixels wide and 180 pixels tall. That needs to be the size of your banner. And it can be in either JPEG or PNG file format. Now, if you don't have the ability or a graphics program to create your banner graphic at this size, we're happy to help out. Just send us an email at support@siteprogress.com. Send us the graphic that you'd like to use, and we will format it properly for you. Same thing with your footer as well. We're happy to do that for you. Now, before we move on to the footer, let's look at this banner link. And what that basically is it allows, when a user clicks that banner, it lets them go somewhere. Normally, most websites have a company logo or something like that at the top, and so they want, when you click on that top area, for it to go back to the home page, which is what is defaulted here. This index.php is actually just a code name for your home page. But you can change this and have that banner link to another page. So let me show you how you do that, and so you can see exactly how it works. We'll go back over to the test page and let's refresh so we can see our banner, and there it is. So now let's go ahead and navigate to a different page. Let's just go to the next page. And so let's say this is where we want the user to go whenever they click on the SiteProgress logo or this entire banner area. So to do that, all you need to do is go up to the address bar and just copy the information past the very last slash, which is the file name. So in this case, it's cat1.php. So I'll copy that and I'll paste that into my banner link area, and I'll just go ahead and save that. Now, we'll go back over here to the demo site, and let me go back to the home page so we're on a different page. And now if I come up here and click anywhere in this banner area, it will take me to the How It Works page. So you can set that link to any page that you'd like. Again, most commonly, it's the home page, so let's go ahead and set that back. And again, we can just come up here and grab that same index.php, and we'll just paste that back in. And now that's set back to the home page. Now let's go ahead and bring our footer in. Again, it's the same situation as with the banner. There's a specific size it needs to be. In this case, it needs to be 940 pixels wide like the banner, but only 70 pixels tall. So I'll go ahead and grab our banner that's preset to that size. Our footer, rather. And there it is. And now I'll go ahead and upload that. And again, it should refresh and show me a little preview of that image. And the last thing we can do here is set footer text. And normally most people use this for some sort of copyright information because it's there on every page. And so this is the default copyright. Let's go ahead and change that to the pulp copyright. Let's find it here. There it is. We'll change it to this and go ahead and hit save. And now we'll go ahead and refresh the page one more time and move down and take a look at the footer, and we'll see that the gray footer has been replaced with our footer art, and here is our footer text. So now we have our banner and our footer in successfully. If you have any questions about how to use banner or footer after watching this tutorial, please feel free to give us an email at support@siteprogress.com.